so now, it makes me look rich to have all these different, okay. So now, walk, don't run intro, but it stops the second time around. Stops on F the second time. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. Starts over. So walk, don't run intro, you already know that.
Yep.
But now we're low E3, then A, open 2 and 3. Same on the D. Open G to 2nd fret and back. 2D, 3A. Open D, 2, open, 3A, open, low E3. I'm going to do that again. Starts over. This time instead of low E is C. 5, 3, 2, and open on D. We lose them. So this time, same thing. C major, F minor, F sharp minor, 3rd finger 4D, 1st finger 2nd fret G and B. So I'll hit the D, G, and B, and then the 5th fret high E 3 times. 2 high E, 4B, 4B again, high E open, open B, 1G, 2B. 4B and high E open again, open, 1G, 2B, open high E, 4B, 2 high E, E chord. We'll do it slow-mo. Pause. Now, high E7, 8B, 9G. Hit the G, B, high E, and Vicky will hit high E10. 12 high E2, 9. 9, 10 and back on high E. 10B, 11G, which is 3rd finger 9, D, 1st finger 7, G, B, and high E. Okay, now high E3 and B3 and open G. Hit the G, the high E, then the B. Open G, back to the high E. We do this. More times and starts over. End of story.